x cube sine of tan inverse of x power of 4 whole divided by 1 plus x power of 8. So now the question is, which value has to be taken as t? There are many possibilities over here. So you have to check which possibility will give us the right substitution. So accordingly, we need to do it. So let us try to see how to substitute it. One is directly taking tan inverse value, right? If you try to take tan inverse value, in that case, tan inverse value will be taken as tan inverse of x power of 4 will be taken as t. But that will fail because under tan inverse, you are having x power of 4. So since you are having in the numerator x power of 4, the question is, can I express this denominator also in the form of x power of 4? But if you are taking x power of 4 as t, in that case, the question is, what should be x power of 4 value? There is another question that will arise over here. So therefore, let us see if I take this value as t, what will happen? This one possibility I'm checking. This whole value which is there, whole value, I'll be taking this as t. So whenever you have any trigonometric function, under trigonometric function, you're having some other value, whether it is sine or cos of, or whether it is log of some value. So whenever you're having this type of function, inside whatever you're having, that value will be taking it as t in most of the cases. And whenever you have root values, root of any of the value, under root whatever value is there, that value will be taken as t in most of the case. This you have to keep in mind. So since you are having under sine, you are having tan inverse of x power of 4. Therefore, I will be taking x power of 4 to be equals to what? T. So before I do that one, I'll make one change over here. I slightly try to modify this one. Into dx is there. I'll just try to rewrite this one. Sine of tan inverse of x power of 4. It is whole divided by 1 plus x power of 4. I have just rewritten the question, that's all. X cube, I have brought it over here. And this 1 plus x power of 8, which is there, 8 is written as power 4 whole square. So that 4 times of 2 will give back that 8. So the question will not change. Now I'll make the substitution. Put the value of tan inverse of x power of 4 to be equals to t. Let us see what happens. We know the derivative of tan inverse, d by dx of tan inverse of x. So what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? You know the derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square, right? This is the differentiation of the inverse trigonometric function tan inverse of x. Now if I try to differentiate this one, I'll be getting 1 by 1 plus x square. But in place of x, we are having x power of 4. So x, this will be acting as x and whole square, x square. So what I have done is, whenever you try to differentiate, first you try to go from the outermost function to the innermost function. First you have differentiated this tan inverse. Tan inverse differentiation is complete. Now you have to go for x power of 4 differentiation. So how to differentiate this x power of 4? Differentiation of x power of 4 will be 4x cube, right? 4x cube into dx is equals to what? Is equals to dt. Are you getting this differentiation? So once you have done it, now I'll try to rewrite this one. 1 by 1 plus x power of 4 whole square is already there, into 1 by x power of 4 whole square. And this x cube I'll write down, into dx I'll write down. So here x cube is there, dx, but 4 is not there. So better you just try to cross multiply that 4 on the other side. Now just try to plug in this back there in the given integral. So we'll be getting I is equals to I is equals to, it is sine of, you're having sine of this tan inverse of x power of 4, I have taken it as t, sine of t. Now remaining values you can see x cube dx and this divided by this complete values which are there. So let's write down that value, dt by 4. It is dt by 4. However, divided by 4 is a constant. I can take that value as 1 by 4 outside. So 1 by 4 is outside and you are left out with only sine of t into dt. It is a normal integration. Sine of t or sine of x is nothing but minus cos. So minus cos of t. But what is the value of t that we have taken? We have taken t value to be equals to tan inverse of x power of 4. So I can take that minus outside, minus 1 by 4 into cos of, we have tan inverse of x power of 4. Tan inverse of x power of 4 plus the constant of integration c. So that will be the required solution.